Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. So you guys know how much I have been loving my Stampin' Blends and coloring with them and doing fun things with them. So one other thing that you can do with your Stampin' Blends is color ribbon, which makes ribbon so much more versatile as an embellishment. I know ribbon is probably one of my biggest go-to embellishments when it comes to creating a card project. And now knowing that I can use my white, and make yellow or purple or coral or any of the other Stampin' Blends colors, it makes me so much more excited because then I feel like I have every color of ribbon at my fingertips. So today I just wanted to show you that. Three of the styles of Whisper White that we have are the Amazing Organza, which has that light little delicate look. Then there's also the glitter ribbon on the edge, or shimmer, I guess silver shimmer is what I would probably call that. So that of course is super elegant, adds a little extra bling with the silver on both sides, and of course I'm a silver over gold girl, so I love that stuff. And then the other one is this third one, which is the classic weave. So it's a little bit more like cottony feeling, a little thicker, and of course it's a little bit wider too. So I'm just going to bring in some pattern paper or some grid paper here, and I was just going to color a little bit to show you how quick and simple it is. You can simply just color straight down the ribbon. Of course this ribbon wants to curl on me, so I have to fight it each time. But look how fabulous that is. Super, super easy. Of course, some of it bleeds through to the other side, but some of it still had like some white marks. So there you have that fabulous coral ribbon. You do want to kind of set it aside to let it dry, or you can always pat it with either your paper here for any excess, or you can always use a paper towel or something like that. But super, super cute. Then let's do the rich raspberry for the one with the silver on the edge. And again, just simply color it down the middle. You can either stay away from the edges on that silver, or you can color right over it. That's all personal preference. Some of it's going to, see, and then this side was actually pretty good as it soaked through better on this ribbon. And again, you can always pat it with a paper towel, or you can always take your paper and rub on it a little bit. Of course, you do want to let it dry a little bit if you don't have any patience for that, like me, because I don't tend to have patience for drying. Then you can always take your heat tool on setting 1 and and just go over it just really quickly. It won't really need a long time or anything. And then now we have that classic weave, and let's go ahead, and I will actually say I'm using all of the dark of the Stampin' Blend, so I'm not actually using the light. If you wanted the light, of course you would get a lighter look on your ribbon and everything. So here is the daffodil. So this one actually, it didn't bleed through as much because I think because this is a thicker ribbon, and that's the reasoning for that. So that is actually nice and super bold. So there are the 3 ribbons that you can use with your Stampin' Blends. Like I said, I used all of the darks. You could always use the lights for obviously a lighter color. But look how fabulous that is, that you can then take your white ribbon and make it any color that you need for any project. Super, super love that. I've been having so much fun with my Stampin' Blends. Of course, with the alcohol, it does dry rather quickly, so bringing out your heat tool probably isn't necessary by the time you go get it. It'll probably already be dry, or by the time you finish like a long enough strip or something for your project, then it'll probably be dry, so no worries there. But like I said, you do want to dab it off a little bit. I'd hate to have you put it on your project and then have a little bit rub off. That was maybe on like the silver part or something that didn't soak into the ribbon. So be sure to do that first, of course. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on using your Stampin' Blends and coloring your ribbon. Let me know what your favorite color of Stampin' Blends is, and I will see if it's the same as mine. I'm not really sure what my favorite color is. I want to say Bermuda Bay, but I've also been playing with so many of the other ones that I'm not sure. It probably would vary every time someone asked me. So let me know what your favorite is in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, to check out more fabulous cards using this colored ribbon and lots of other projects. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And I'll see you all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.